In this video, I'll be showing you how to make money with crypto arbitrage. I'll tell you how it works, and I'll also tell you how to get started and also the risk involved. If you're wondering what crypto arbitrage is all about, this video is for you. If you're new here, I'll be showing you how to navigate the crypto world. If you're interested in that, please like and subscribe so that we can be able to grow. So let's get back to business. Step-by-step guide on how to start your crypto arbitrage journey. Number 1, you open multiple crypto exchanges. For example, Binance, Bybit, OKES. You open the crypto exchanges that is available in your location, because if you're staying in Nigeria, recently OKES went out from Nigeria, so unfortunately you can't open OKES. So you open the crypto exchanges that is available in your location. Step 2, you fund the account, the amount you're willing to trade on it or the amount you have. Step 3, you identify the price difference. For example, the price of Bitcoin may be $105,000 in Binance, but the price in OKES is $106,000. So that is like $1,000 price difference. So which platform are you going to use and check the price difference? You use CoinMarketCap or CoinGecko. Step 4, you execute your trades. And before you execute your trade, you have to be very quick when executing these trades, because the difference in prices changes quickly. Then the step 5, you withdraw your profits. So I'm going to tell you the factors to consider before you make any crypto arbitrage trading. You need to consider the exchange fees, because all exchanges charges before you can deposit or withdraw. The second thing to consider is the volatility of the market. That is why the best one to trade is the one with high volatility. For example, Bitcoin. The liquidity coins with daily trading volumes are the best. For example, also Bitcoin. The ones with high liquidity, that they trade with high trading volume. The fourth thing to consider is speed. You have to use exchanges with high fast order execution. Let me tell you the risk involved. The opportunities is to close quickly. You need to be very fast when you're making this trade so that you will not lose the opportunity. And also the volatility can lead to loss. Prices can go down when you want to sell for profit. Let's go to the tips on when you see an arbitrage opportunity. You need to act fast, like very fast, because the price changes quickly. You need to also focus on new coin listings. Avoid USDT trading pairs. Don't be greedy. You need to make sure that you focus on only 1 to 2% profits. Don't be greedy, because if you're greedy, you're going to lose everything. There are trading bots available like Finis and other bots available. So you need to choose one. But if you're interested in knowing the trading bots I'm using, you can click in the description below. That's where I dropped the links to the trading bots you can use in doing arbitrage trading. This is all you need to know about crypto arbitrage. It gives you passive income. Just act fast when opportunities arise. If you want to know how to make money with meme coins, I made a video about that. The link is in the description below. See you in the next video.